Paano maging busy? Gusto mo ba na madami kang ginagawa? Kasi ayaw mo masayang ang oras mo nang walang ginagawa. Paano maging busy? Just keep busy. Be distracted, do things, do stuffs. Maybe write on your journal or planner. Buy a notebook and write. Things and stuffs, yes, okay. Write a story. Create art, draw. Listen to music. Like Paramore, Valley of Chrome, and Sadie. Ano maging busy? Be distracted, yes. Drink coffee, oo. Make your own coffee. Experiment using blender. Haluan mo ng cookies or fudgy bar. Etc. etc. Ice cream, etc. etc. Paano maging busy? Mag-McDo. Use your AirPods, InPods, or earphones. Be busy with your pet na aso or pusa. Alagaan mo, paliguan mo. Bigyan mo ng food and water. How to be a busy person? Just keep busy. Makipag-chat, Facebook and Instagram. Use the social media more. Manood sa YouTube. Mag-search sa Google. Right, okay. Paano maging busy? Kumain sa McDo, Jollibee, Dairy Queen. Maging busy. Mag-laptop, computer, cellphone, tablet, oo. Paint or draw, yes, okay. Mag-vlog, oo, okay. So, paano maging busy? Paano nga ba? Chat, DM, social media. Mag-install ng mga apps sa cellphone. Kahit games pa, oo. Any apps, any games, yes. Okay, so, paano maging busy? Kasi wala kang ginagawa. Mag-isip ng mga bagong gagawin. Oo, okay. Paano maging busy? Maging busy ka. Ikaw kaya ang mag-grocery sa inyo? Or mag-shopping ka? Oo. O kaya browse the internet. And even your apps on your phone. Mag-Shopee at Lazada? Yes, oo. Oo, yes, true, totoo. Okay, so, planuhin ang araw mo maging ang mga gabi mo. Take a nap, take a shower. Mamasyal, oo, okay, so. Paano maging busy? How? Tell me how. Create your own channel kaya dito sa YouTube. Oo, okay, so. Paano maging busy? Mag-games using your phone, cellphone, or laptop. Okay. Kung gusto mo talaga maging busy, isipin mo maigi kung saan mo ibabaling ang atensyon mo. Oras at panahon. Okay, so. Keep busy, be distracted. Yes, okay. Maglinis ng bahay or kwarto mo. Manood ng mga vlogs dito sa YouTube. Keep busy as I have said. Saan pa ba dapat gamitin ang mga natitirang oras mo? Minsan, pahinga din naman. Paano maging busy? How and paano? Mag-Google search lang ng search. Ng kahit na ano at tungkol saan. Nakatalino pa? Oo, okay. May mga malalaman ka pang something nyo. Yes, totoo, okay. Paano maging busy? Panoorin mo na lahat ng gusto mong panoorin sa YouTube at Netflix. Oo, mag-YouTube Music ka na din or Spotify. Yes, okay. Paano maging busy? Gumawa ng mga gawaing bahay. Oo, okay. Magsulat sa journal, diary, or planner. Yes and okay, so. Kumausap ng kaibigan or tropa. Or kahit kapatid mo pa or magulang. Oo, okay. Meet mo boyfriend mo or girlfriend mo. Manood ng movies, TV shows. Manood ng news or balita. Makinig sa radyo. Or FM radio. Paano maging busy? Paano? Just keep busy. And be busy on your own. Oo, okay. Decorate your own room. Fix things. Paano maging busy? How to be busy by yourself. You know how and you know it. Alam mo kung paano. Alamin mo lang. Sa pamamagitan lang ng pagnood ng channel ko. magiging busy ka na din. Totoo, okay. Mag-Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Google. Magiging busy ka na nun, oo. Like, comment, subscribe. I am Gail. This is Speak Up, Dear. 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 See you next time. Thank you.